Exact same way. See the antennas? We've gotten a little smarter with the way we do antennas. And those big, ugly communication antennas, they're actually right there.
Okay.
Now you can see they're kind of clean. So yeah, if you were cleaning, you can clean those off and make them nice and shiny. The metal ones, a little harder. You don't have to clean something like this or safety. And you want to be careful, you don't want to break that off. Something this plane has, the other plane didn't, are these static wicks. So when you're flying through precipitation, there's static buildup. This allows the static to jump off the airplane instead of building up. If it builds up, you start getting static on your radios and everything. So you knock one of these off, they're about 25 bucks for one, so wouldn't want to do that. They're not as bad on small planes, but on a jet, they're like $100 a piece, something ridiculous. Another thing about these planes, sometimes they put a control lock in the yoke, the control wheel of the airplane, which will allow this not to move. Generally, that's when you're outside, a plane's parked outside. So if you go to move this is okay to move this because there's no control lock in there. It'll move, so if that helps you clean, it's down like this, you get down on your back, that wears you out after a while. So it's okay to lift it. You could scrub like this if you want. It's okay to move that, just move it gently, make sure it moves freely, and that there's not a lock. None of the planes
Don't force
fly, yeah, if you force it, don't. Okay. The rudder on a Cessna will move because there's a spring between it and the nose wheel. On low-wing airplanes, like a Piper aircraft, this has a direct linkage. There is no spring, so if you move this, you're moving the front wheel. Well, think of all the weight on the wheel. So who do you think is going to win the battle? Yeah, so this is going to bend. So a lot of times it'll have a sign that says do not push. That's why. You really don't need to push this one, but if you needed to move it out of the way to clean under there, that would be acceptable, but only on a Cessna.
Okay.
You'll get to know your airplane. The high wing is a Cessna aircraft. This one, the one we just did, you could do this. Wouldn't hurt it. Okay? You can move that.
Well, how did you go from a CFO to a pilot?
I went from a pilot to a CFO because I was at the airlines when I got.
Oh.
I didn't get